Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we'll be making Emirati Salonat Macarona, which is basically a pasta and minced meat dish with Emirati and Arabic flavors and seasonings. And one of the good things about making this is that you'll only need to cook in one pot, and it really isn't a complicated dish with many steps. A beginner cook can easily make this. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save, and also available in the description box. Let's start out with adding a lot of olive oil in a deep dish. Well, you can make it less if you want, but that's how we made it. We're going to be working on medium-high heat, and then we'll add in our chopped onions, add a generous amount of salt on the onions and let them cook until translucent. Then add in our garlic and ginger paste and mix. Then we'll add in our tomato paste, mix it all together and cook it some more. At this point, we'll add in our minced meat and break it up and mix it more in the pot to make sure it's mixed. And we'll add in our chopped fresh tomatoes. And of course, mix again. We'll add in our 2 bay leaves and a teaspoon of salt, a heaped teaspoon of salt, and about 1 to 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. We'll add in a heaped teaspoon of Emirati masala mix, which is just a seasoning of Emirati spices, which you can easily find if you live in the United Arab Emirates or the Middle East. And if not, you can also look up how to make it in a couple of links that I will be providing in the description box. We also added another teaspoon of spicy Emirati masala mix. The other one was not so spicy, but if you couldn't find any options, you only found one Emirati masala mix, you can just use that and compensate by using chili pepper or Kashmiri chili pepper. Give everything a good mix so that it cooks evenly and that all the seasonings are very well distributed around everything in the pot. Then we're going to start putting in our water, because salona is basically a sort of gravy. We're going to create a gravy that we'll put the pasta into, and then the pasta will cook itself and absorb that gravy, and that is how you're going to have the entire complete dish. First of all, we're going to wait for the water to absorb all these flavors and to cook with the meats and all these flavors. We're gonna let them cook some more and really have those flavors intensify in the water, and then we are going to be adding our pasta, because pasta doesn't take a long time to cook. We'll leave this gravy water to simmer and cook down for about 10 minutes and move and mix everything every once in a while. Then add in the pasta of your preference, and we personally like to stick to these. They're cute and they go along well in the whole dish. Mix the pasta well to make sure it's fully covered with the gravy. And then we're going to cover and let it cook until the pasta absorbs all the water and all the gravy. If you've added too much pasta, that means you'll have to add in some more water. If you add in more water, that means you have to add in more seasonings and spices, because water will affect and dilute the flavors that you worked so hard to get. So always balance with adding more seasonings along the way. Essentially, you'll know that you're done when the pasta has absorbed all or most of the liquid and has cooked all the way through, is al dente or the way that you like it. And that's it. Start scooping and eat. Serve with some yogurt on the side. We like to serve it with some yogurt on the side and some Excellence hot sauce, just for a little extra zing. Try that out, maybe you'll like it. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!